This is Dave from MotoJug Hydration Systems. I'm going to show you real quick how to install the tubing into a stainless steel jug. First off, I would get a lid that you can sacrifice because you want to make sure that you don't drill the hole too big. Find is just a small drill bit. Find somewhere around the center. Drill it, and then I use a 3/8 inch drill bit. But make sure you check it first to make sure that that's the right size. Go ahead and drill that out. If you need to, you can get a razor blade. You can clean off any little pieces that might be there. Then you're gonna just stick your tubing through there. It should be tight. You don't want it to be able to come in and out and make it loose. So it needs to be tight when you push it in. Here's the actual hole on the jug, you can see. And then when you push it through, like I said, it needs to be a tight fit. You don't want a loose fit, so make sure that when you check and you get the right drill bit to start with. Put it through there. When you put your lid on, you're gonna need to have a little bit of a vent. If not, when you go to draw the water out, it's just gonna create a vacuum and make it really hard for you to suck the water out. So all you need to do to create a vent is tighten your lid all the way down, then back it off about a half a turn. It's still on there, it's not coming off, but that's just enough to let enough air in there to be able to create a good vent for you and make it really easy for you to drink. And that's it. Thank you.